pressure vessel integrity concerns can lead to costly downtime and safety risks. Existing proprietary weld overlay technology provides lasting asset life extension with no unforeseen impact on the critical path. Our automated field-applied weld overlay process creates a metallurgical bond with unmatched corrosion resistance. Unlike conventional coatings that can laminate, exact cladding becomes an integral part of your asset, extending operational life while maintaining structural integrity. From boilers and pressure vessels to reactors and distillation towers, IGS delivers tailored overlay solutions for your most challenging environments. Our expert project management and comprehensive preparation facilitate faster and smoother turnarounds. And with our laboratory-tested specialty alloys, we ensure optimal performance in even the most demanding applications. Where safety, performance, and speed meet, that's asset vitality.